Hey folks, here's a lesson on While My Guitar Gently Weeps by the Beatles. I'm going to give you a really easy way to play through the whole song, and then I'm going to give you kind of a fancy souped up version later on. So here we go. So you can take this first part really easy and just go. Okay, so that was A minor, 2, 2, 1, open. Just 2 slow strums. Then we're going to lift the 2 out of the G string, so it's 2 open, 1 open. Which is kind of a C, but in this case it's kind of like a A minor 7. So we got A minor, 7. And now we're going to go to this 4, 2, 1, O. So we got A minor, 7. We got this 4, 2, 1, O. Then we got 3, 2, 1, O, which is F major 7. A minor 7 again to G, opens and 3 on the bottom. And then D, O 2, 3, 2 to E major, 2, 1, open, open. So once again we got A minor 7, or you can call it C if you want. We got this 4, 2, 1, O, and then 3, 2, 1, O. Then back to A minor, G, then D to E major. Okay, so now if you want to make that a little fancier, you could add this. So that was a down, 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 up for each chord. Okay, so the only other thing that happens is, so they do the intro and it has the D to the E at the end. And then they do a verse and it has all those same chords and it has that D to the E at the end again. But then they do the second verse, and the second verse is going to end not with D to E, but with C to E. So that second verse ends up being... C to E. Now that sets up the chorus. We're going to go to A major. Now that's a C sharp minor. So we got A, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, back to C sharp minor, B minor, and then we have an E, but we're going to go. So that's kind of moving from the 2 to the 4 to the 1 to the 2 as we're playing all the chords. To the 4, 4, to the 1, 1, to the 2, 2. When you're playing the 1 and the 2, you can just play those, or you can kind of include the big one with it. You can still hear the notes moving in there and stuff. So that's our A. That's 2, 2, 2 open. You can do it with just one finger and just block the bottom if you want. Then C sharp minor is 6, 6, 5, 4. Then F sharp minor is 4, 2, 2, 2. Back to the C sharp minor. Now B minor is 4, 4, 3, 2. Do that one twice, and then we have this E, 2, 1, open, open, to the 4 in the big string, to the 1 kind of on the bottom one, the next one, and the 2. So okay, then move it back to Now this is the first one, so we're going to go to D. D to E. Back to A minor. Now this is the second verse, so we're going to switch to that C. C to E. So here's where the solos happen. The solo ends with D and then E the first time, and then it ends with C and E the second time. Then you're into the chorus again. Second chorus. And then it goes twice through that. Back, another verse. So the verses will end with the D to E the first time, the C to E the second time, and then you just go into more solos where it's the A minor progression again. It seems to always go D to E towards the end till it fades out. So that would basically be how to do that whole kind of the basic strumming of that whole thing. Now, if you guys want to play along, here would be a little play along bit. So remember we have our, you can keep it real simple and just go real slow and just try to get these different chords. Remember that was 4, 2, 1, 0. So once again we have A minor, nice and slow. You can call it C if you want. Then we got the 4, 2, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, A minor again, G, then D to E. Let's try it. 3 and 4 and G, and then D to E, back to A minor, 4, 2, 1, 0. And this 3, 2, 1, 0 is F major 7. We got A minor to G. Now this time we'll do C to E. Okay, and then let's set up for that other part, that change there, the chorus or bridge, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to start with that A. So 2 slow strums in each of the. So we got A to C sharp minor, F sharp minor, back to C sharp minor, B minor twice, and then that E riff. So let's count that in. 3 and 4 and B minor, E riff, A again, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, okay, then remember we could also be doing these chords. So let's think about that. Let's go back to the first part, the A minor. We're going to do that full strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, C to E this time. Let's go to that change, A major, back to A. that's pretty much the whole thing there. It's gonna have tabs with it and everything to look at. Now I have a little version where I kind of do like a fast sort of bluegrassy kind of feel on this, like. So what I'm doing there is I'm going G string to the higher strings, and then using this as like an alternate bass. Kind of using my thumb to go back and forth and using kind of fingers to hit that high chord thing. So it's like. And then I switch to the bass note first here. And same here. Then I go back to that G string, and then G chord there. And then D chord I'm going. And E chord. And then C I'm going. And then you get to A, B. Then when I come up here, same picking. When I go here, I'm going to go bass first. And back. Then I do a slow riff. Just put something new in there, you know. Okay, well I hope you all dug that. I'm Damon Wood. This is Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Please let us know in the comments what you think. Let us know where you're watching from. Let us know what you want to hear next. And we'll see you later. Thanks a lot.